Hi guys. Let's see how Snipping Tool works in Windows 10 computer. This is the most used method when it comes to take a screenshot. This video show you how it works. First search for Snipping Tool and open it from your Start menu. Click on New to start taking a new screenshot. Then drag your mouse on the area you want to capture. Once done, you can save it to your desired location. There are some options also. In mode you can select 3 ways of capturing the screen. Option called delay, capture the screen with those mentioned seconds delaying. You can copy the captured image in here also. Here you can email it directly. You can select any colored pen to add some text into the capture. And you can use this highlighter also. There you can find the eraser to remove added text. Here you can edit the captured image using Paint 3D. Let's go through again one more time. Click on New to start taking a new screenshot. Then drag your mouse on the area you want to capture. Once done, you can save it to your desired location. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.